Hello guys and welcome to latitude Special. Today I'll basically be showing you some little things that are really important. Okay, now I want to do it in form of like a question and then solve the problem, because I believe geomatics or surveying or mapping is a problem solving profession. Okay, now basically, this is a database, right? I have this typed on Excel. You can see the name of the school, the state, the local government, that's the LGA, the location, though they are not complete, the type, whether it's a primary or secondary school, both, or a tertiary institution, ownership, public or private year of establishment, then the X and Y. Now, this is having a complete database. Okay. On the other hand, this is GIS. And since we're using school, let me uncheck this other ones, leaving only schools. Okay, this school are in Jalingo and Okari local government of Taraba state. Now this one, I want to export this one so that I can be able to add them up to those ones in Excel, do one or two things before I can bring it back or something like that. Okay, now but if we go to the attribute table of this one, what we are seeing is we're seeing the school name, yes, we're seeing the ownership, we're seeing the types, we're seeing the location, and the X and Y are not complete. This one I created it well, but I'm trying to reuse. Okay, but let's just remove the X and Y for now. That's the eastern and the northerns. Okay, let's remove it. Now I'll basically show you how to generate your X and Y. This is normally how, if you digitize a point on arcgis, this is basically what you're going to be seeing. So to do that, you come up here and you add a field. So this field, we'll call it at X, or we say it's a longitude. Okay, and then we make this double. Okay, we create another one. We call it latitude, and we make it double, and we okay. Now we all have our null, they are all showing null. Okay, to generate your X and your Y, all you need to do is to right click on this and come to calculate geometry. Now you go to X coordinate of point and it's on decimal degree. That's all. Then you do same to your Y, and that's all. So basically, this is how you're going to first create your point, and then now is to export this point so that we can have it on Excel sheet. To do that, you go to your search or you open your Arc toolbox, any of them. If you know the name of the tool you're going to use, you just search. If you don't know, you go through your Arc toolbox so that you can easily get that. Okay, normally if you're opening for the first time, it takes a little while before opening, though it depends on your system speed. Now you go to your conversion tools and then you go to Excel and then table to Excel. Okay, then you put in your schools. Oh, the system is kind of okay. Then you select your output, and let's say school. Okay, then we save. Now you see that it's showing XLS, that is an Excel format. We okay it, and then we wait for it to finish processing. Still processing. let me pause it. So, okay, it seems it's done. So now we'll go to where we save it and open it up. uh, it will save under Tharaba schools. Could this be the one? Okay, it will save under data and LG by LG. Yeah, this is it. Now let's open it up. Now directly you can see you can just make adjustment with it. Now you can see that it's directly all I need to do now is to copy this and add it to what I already have. You get? So basically this is how you can uh, generate your X and Y, and then also export it directly to Excel without going through making some adjustment. So thank you guys for watching. Keep tuned with us and subscribe to this channel to support me make more videos for you and bring some learnings into you. Thank you very much. See you next week.